April is a great time to plant trees. There's even a special day set aside for planting trees. It's called Arbor Day. We can plant trees in our front lawns, along city streets. Sometimes civic groups even get together and plant trees in public parks. In selecting a tree, we need to consider the height that it will grow, when it flowers, and what kind of soil it needs to do well. The first step in planting a tree is digging the hole. We've got to dig that hole deeply enough so those roots will be beneath the ground, and yet the tree will be set at the same level it was growing in the nursery. Then we put the tree down in the hole, making sure that we have the hole deep enough and none of the roots will be above ground. If there is any non-degradable material such as plastic bag or a plastic container or even fiberglass twine on the root system of that plant, we should remove it. Next, you may want to tamp the soil to eliminate any air pockets. The final step is just to level the soil around the base of the tree and form a little ridge, and that will hold in water. Regular watering will really help your tree grow. Celebrate Arbor Day. Plant a tree. For 18 Action News, I'm Meg Southerland, Fayette County Extension Agent for Horticulture.